Hi babe, yeah, I know I'm supposed to look for interior designers, but like I work until very late every day, so I only found one. Search for more tomorrow, okay? Alright. Bye.
Peter, nice to meet you. How can we help you?
What I'm about to tell you, don't be scared, guys.
Hey, we are the police. We are not scared of anything. Please begin.
Okay, I was going home, right? And I was looking for an interior designer. And then as I'm walking through the corridor, I saw a nun.
A nun?
Yes, a nun! Just like in the movies! Huh? Not Chinese nun, it's a Western one. Huh? I mean a Western nun in a Western outfit. Why is she bald? She got hair and she is scary. Like, come on, guys. Come on. Damn it, it's a scary nun. Didn't you guys watch the movie? Okay, got it. Please continue. Are you making fun of me? Huh? With long hair and nice figure, her face is all pale. Got it? Okay, she came up to me on the corridor and she said, I love you. She said she wants to accompany me for the rest of my life. Babe, what are you laughing at?
I was just having some happy thoughts.
What happy thoughts?
My wife had a baby.
You? What are you laughing at?
My wife also just had a baby.
Both your wife, same person ah?
Yes. Yeah. No, they happen to give birth at the same
Let me
day.
make myself clear. I am not lying. Babe!
Let's get back to the case. The creature you just mentioned, the nun, right? Was she pretty?
It doesn't matter if she's pretty or not. She's one of a kind. Rarely seen. Her eyes are like peas. And she has a garlic-shaped nose. And sharp teeth. She's very cute. Too bad it was dark at night. I couldn't see her breast. Babe! What is it with you? I'm losing my patience already. Come on, guys.
My wife had a baby.
Hey, do you think I'm stupid? I know why you're laughing at me.
Sorry, Peter. We are professional. We do not laugh easily. Okay, we are specially trained. Unless we can't take it.
Okay, Peter. How about that? Maybe you go home, take a rest first. Then we will update you once we got anything.
Thank you, guys.
Bye. Thank you.
Hey Peter, how can we help you?
Okay.
Peter?
I'm gonna propose to my boyfriend at a Halloween party, and then he's gonna love it. Is my makeup nice? Okay. Oh, he's coming. Let's go.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.